Hello, and welcome to my channel. I am Lysanda Marie, and welcome to yet another Stitch Fix video. Today I'm going to be trying on my fall clothing. I am very excited about this. First off, we're going to talk about my Spanx that I ordered as well. We're going to go ahead and drop these. There we go. Alright, I actually ordered Spanx because sometimes when you're wearing certain clothing, you just want some extra coverage and so it makes things all smoothed out. And here they are. There my Spanx are. I am not going to be trying these on at all, but I did want to show these. They actually looked really nice. They come up a little bit below in this area, and it actually goes here, so it makes you smooth from your midsection over here on down to your leg, which is pretty awesome. So I'm excited to be trying these out. Let's see what my stylist has to say. She says, "Hi Lysanda, I am so glad to have you back. Hope that you had an amazing weekend or are ready for a great start to a brand new week. I have found pieces that I think you will love, and they are perfect for the chillier weather that is just around the corner. I thought we would kick off this fix with the cut from the cloth, skinny scissor cut hem jeans, ooh, that's a mouthful, for a casual day spent with family and friends. Pair the jeans with a simple and casual pink clover pullover. The texture detail adds character too. The jeans will also look great with the market and spruce brushed knit top. I love the colors on this piece too. Let me know what you think, please, and what else I can send. Cheers, Kelsey." All right, I'm so excited. I really like my stylist, Kelsey. She seems to get everything spot on. I don't always purchase everything, because things can get sort of expensive, but I do love everything, and when I can purchase more than one or even 2 or 3 items, that's what I'll do. Let's try on what we have. And here we go. Here's the outfit. All right, I love it. The jeans are a really cute skinny jean. They are super comfy and very, very stretchy. I am really loving the sweatshirt. I might even keep it. I think I might keep it. It's so cozy. And for those of you who are really tall, just like me, I have really, really long arms, as you can tell, and the fact that this sweater fits my long length and it comes down past my wrist, that is really amazing, and it speaks volumes. I really like this a lot. Yeah, it is so cozy. Definitely very cozy. All right, time for the next thing. All right, we only got 1 pair of jeans. The rest are shirts now, and here's the shirt. The shirt is really cute. I do like it. I like how it gives me like a slimming effect with the black on the lower half of the shirt. I'm kind of liking this. I'm not too big on turtlenecks. I'm kind of on the fence whether I'm going to keep it or not, although I did look at myself in the mirror and I do like how the shirt looks. It is really cute, and it is soft, especially in the gray areas. It's so soft. I really love it a lot. All right, I think it's time for us to try the next thing. Woo, this shirt is so cute. When I tried it on right away, I really love the colors. I love these stripes. I think they're so pretty, and the shirt is super soft, so this one I'm definitely keeping. I just love it. The soft and feel, the feel of how soft it is really lovely. I really like it a lot. All right, time for next one. Last but not least, here is the last shirt. I really like it. It is pretty soft. It's a really pretty maroon color. So there you have it. That's all the collection for the fall collection of what I got in my box this time. If you did like this video, don't forget to give me a humongous big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down there and hit that bell notification so you can see every single time that I post. And I will see you next time. Bye.